Hey friends, when you are looking for an additional source of income or even as your main business, it is always a good idea to start a digital business. Web based solutions. On this channel, Digician, we are exploring on the ideas and solutions through which you can start your own digital business and that too without having any technical knowledge. Yes. So in this video, we are going to discuss a solution of website builder, that is HTML and site builder, and the script that we are going to overview in this video is called Architect. This is a complete ready to use script that you can install at your hosting, and you can offer the service to create websites to your prospective users. If any user wish to create website, if a businessman, if a person wish to create a website, you can offer a service through this panel so that they may create their own website, or even you can build website for them. Okay, so like this can be like I'm going to add a new site or the blank template even, and since it is an HTML page builder website creator or website builder, you can say the solution is for creating websites, web pages. So there might be multiple pre-made layouts, templates that can be used directly for creating the websites. Like these are some, and through the admin panel as a solution provider, you can control everything. So I'm going to take you on the admin panel. So this is the admin area where you are going to control all the things, how the users, how the plans are going for your website. Like the front end website is also here. I'll show you the front end website as well. Uh, this is the front end website through which you can offering. Okay, so you are offering. This is the front end website through which you can attract your prospective buyers. The business owners or the solution seekers, through which uh, you can offer your website creation services. Not like website creating services exactly, if it is a website builder option that they can use. So this is front end website that shows the pricing and all, and you can control the website, this website as well from the backend. So taking note the backend again. Uh, Now, if we are talking about the admin plans, okay. So this is the admin area, and we can control all the things. Definitely, you can control all the things since you are going to be the owner of this solution. So the first thing, the dashboard is showing the analytics, what is going inside the system, how many users are there, and how many projects are ongoing, new domains and all. In the appearance area, you can decide the general appearance and the like you are controlling the website that I shown you. For you, for solution providing, you are going to control this website which is being displayed on the front end. So general settings are here. You can change the fab icon and the website logo and all, landing page details and all the details like simple pricing for everyone and all. uh, these are the slogans: build your website today, create new things and all. And now the themes that you can use: dark and light, the menus area, like the footer area, the auth drop down, admin sidebar and all. So it is again, and home navigations, like this is features and pricing, so it can be controlled from here. So it is simple and easy to use. Again, you can control your website first of all. Next is the settings that you need to do at the very first time, since you are going to install this solution on your domain and hosting. So you have to update your domain name at which you are installing the solution, and the subscription, localization, authorization, authentication, uploading options, outgoing emails, settings, the cache options, analytics, logging queue, and recaptcha. So these are the basic settings that you need to do. So you might be thinking you don't know how to do all these things. Don't worry. Just in case if you need any support, we are here. We are going to make the solution live and up, and you are directly going to use the solution as a SaaS business. Next is the plan area where you can create plans for the users. This is a SaaS model, so you can create plans that will be displayed on the front end of your website. and users will pay accordingly. Subscription who have taken the subscription of your plans, and further users in completely in your control. So users are going to register at your website for taking the services, and you can control those users. In the next segment, next module, you can control the user roles, what actually the users can do, how they can access the system. Next is the projects, how many projects are going on in the website creator, website builder. Templates, again, we have multiple templates and you can add new template as well. So you can create templates like HTML templates can be created using this option. So by default, there are many templates and it can be edited as well. So like if it is a stylish portfolio, you can edit the basic things of this template. Okay. So branded domain, in case the users are willing to have the branded domains, you can add or connect the domains for the users so that they may display their content, I mean created web pages on their branded domain. So this is again, enter the exact domain name you want your items to be associated with. Okay, that is fine. Great. And the pages again for our website. Okay. The files that have been uploaded, the localization, ads can be controlled, and the logs. So it is very simple and easy to use interface that can offer website builder services through this script. And this script can be availed just for $59 at codecanyon.net through the video description link. Just in case if you have any question, please write in the comment section and read all the details given herein. I'm going to add all the links, relevant links in the video description itself. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solutions through which you can really start a digital business or you can be a smart web user. So don't miss to watch the videos coming on this channel. Keep watching and keep building. Thank you.